Ever wondered how the Prophet Muhammad conducted prayers while wearing a single garment? Today, we delve into a series of hadiths that shed light on this intriguing facet of Islamic tradition. We start with Abu Huraira's report, where an inquirer asked the Prophet about praying in a single garment. The Prophet responded with a question of his own, asking if every one of them had 2 garments. This exchange was repeated in another instance, as reported by Abu Huraira. The Prophet then clarified, stating that no one should pray in a single garment if no part of it comes over their shoulders. This is an essential point to remember. Umar bin Abu Salama then provides us with an account where he witnessed the Prophet praying in a single garment, with its 2 ends placed over his shoulders. This point is reiterated in several hadiths, with slight variations in the narration. In a report by Jabir, he mentions that he saw the Prophet praying in a single garment crossing the 2 ends. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri also reported that he saw the Prophet praying in a single garment with ends crossed with each other, while prostrating himself on a reed mat. What emerges from these hadiths is the image of a prophet who was both practical and considerate in his actions, taking into account the circumstances of those around him. The Prophet's teachings on prayer in a single garment demonstrate the adaptability of Islamic practices, especially when resources are limited. In summary, the Prophet Muhammad taught that it's permissible to pray in a single garment, provided that part of it covers the shoulders. He himself was seen praying in a single garment, with the ends crossed over each other and placed over his shoulders. We hope this video has enlightened you about the Prophet's teachings on prayer attire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video beneficial. Your support allows us to continue bringing clarity to these timeless traditions. As we end, remember that the beauty of Islam lies in its details. The Hadith serves as a beacon, illuminating the path of righteous living. Until our next video, may your prayers be sincere and your hearts be at peace. Assalamu alaikum.